also some rest. Yep, we do rest. Shouldn't get tired actually, so. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna take you guys to IKEA Adventure. It's like a tall adventure, but IKEA Adventure today. So is that IKEA or IKEA? Some people are saying it's IKEA, but instead of that, I pronounce this wrong the whole time. So I think it's IKEA now, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna see you in IKEA Adventure. Means I'm gonna see you in IKEA. Bye! So as I say that we're gonna have lunch first. This is what we got with her again. So we actually get a salad with the dressing, Caesar dressing. Shrimp cheese or what? Shrimp cheese whatsoever, and then sausage.
One eternity later.
So I found this buddy. I think I'm gonna buy the rabbit. I have a lot of kitten in my home, so I don't think we need it again. Hold on, oh my god, there's a cute puppy. What should I do? What we gotta do with this? Like there's a lot of puppies. Oh my god, it's not that bad. Do they even have a monkey? I don't think that they. But I definitely. Which one? Which one do you think that I should buy? The puppies or the rabbit?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay. Bye, puppy. We'll see you again. Mwah. Yo, do you want a crocky? Huh? For your bedroom? Yeah. This is a crocky. But we decided to not buy a crocky. Just in case crocky is really dangerous maybe. I don't know. I'm getting tired here. There's a lot of people. Because this is weekend. Yeah. Minerva's still with me. He's gotta go home with me. And her. She gotta go home with me again. So instead of that, we need to find quilt. I need to find quilt actually, not we. It's I. And this is so comfortable. Yeah. You can see that. She's really happy. What should I name this bunny? What should I name this bunny? What should I name her? Is that her or he? I don't even know if it's female or male.
Male.
Oh,
Not female.
so it's
maybe.
male. It's named, I don't know, Jeffrey. I'll name this. I'll name this Jeffrey. This is Jeffrey now. Jeffrey. Hey Jeff. Yeah. This is Jeffrey. So, okay. We're gonna go around and find quilt. It's actually have a mission to find quilt. Because I need it for my bedroom so much. I've been looking for that for whole times actually. I found it really interesting. Like, it must be really fluffy. So here they are, the fluffiest. Let me check it. Okay, it says fluffy, but oh, it's actually comfortable. Okay, I like it. I like it already. So Brother Bear, we're staying together. Hey, Papa Bear, what's up? We found another Jeffrey's friend here. Oh, there you are, Jeffrey's. Another Jeffrey's. And then pandas. Like, I was thinking to buy another doll, actually. Maybe the dog one. It's really cute. Yeah. Or maybe they do have a monkeys, but I don't know yet. Wow. Is that a cat? 어머, 뭐 어떡해? 아, 이거 안 됐지. Is this a cat? They don't have a name. But I'm still going to with Jeffrey. Jeffrey first. And a snake. They do have snake. Yep. I hate snakes so much. I'm gonna, if I do have a snake, I will name it Johnny, maybe? Johnny the snake. Is it Johnny and Snake? Johnny the snake. But no, I'm still going with Jeffrey. Jeffrey feels so fluffy like that, okay? Don't you want to buy these? What? Blanket selimut. Selimut kecil. So we find a quilt, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm still have to find a real soft and good quilt for my bedroom. So, but I'm still not sure yet. Do you want my flower? Sure. It smells good actually. Do you like it? You smell it. I met my friend here. We met at the X Factor.
Yeah.
This is an English
Oh,
version
okay.
of me. So, yeah. He's my child. It's not my child. It's not my really child, but yeah.
Well, she was taking care of me in X Factor.
I'm so nice with him, to be honest. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I think this is the end of the episode of Tall Adventure, IKEA Adventure. As you know that we have a mission to buy a quilt, and we met Jeffrey. Yeah, Jeffrey stayed there and back. He have to sleep, I think. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Actually, yeah, you have to give a thumbs up and share to all of your friends, all of your social media. Just share the link. It won't hurt anyone. And then what else? The subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe actually. Yeah, it's kind of important. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share. And then you can give a comment down below to tell me what should I do for Tall Adventure or for Tall Talk. Don't forget to follow my social media. It's Instagram babyTAAL, baby Tall. So bye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give the subscribe and thumbs up and share and comment also. Bye.